Welcome to my channel, Rue Pontneuf Studio. My name is Kristen, and today I will be showing you how to make this hair scrunchie. You will need a hair tie, worsted weight cotton yarn, and a 3.75 millimeter crochet hook. To begin, I put my yarn through the hair tie and make a slip knot. I tighten it a little by pulling down on the tail, and I chain one. Then I put my tail next to the hair tie and I start my single crochets around. This way I don't have to weave in that end when I'm all finished. So to single crochet, you go under the hair tie, yarn over, pull through, yarn, you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through again. So underneath the hair tie, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. It could be a little tricky to get the hang of holding the hair elastic and the yarn at the same time. So to help with this, I put my ring finger and pinky at the bottom of the hair elastic, my middle finger and thumb at the top, and then that way it's pretty much just crocheting straight down the line of the hair elastic. When you get to the end of your tail, if you have a little bit sticking out, like right here, that's totally fine. You can just trim that off at the end. If you're new to crochet and this video is moving a little bit too quickly, I will add links below in the description box that shows very slowly how to do the slip knot, chain, and different stitches. So once I get to the end, I scrunch them together because when you wear it, it's going to pull apart, right? So you want to make sure you have it nice and full. And then I just keep working around again. Scrunch them up one more time, not too much. Want them all to be even. So now that I'm back at the beginning, I'm going to want to slip stitch to join. So this is my first chain up at the very beginning. I'm going to go into the first V that's on top. So the one, not this one, but the next one. Just yarn over and pull through. Now I'm going to chain one, and in the same stitch, I'm going to do a half double crochet. Then in the next one, I'm going to do 3 half double crochets. And now for the rest of the way around, I'm going to rotate 2 or 3 half double crochets until I get back to the beginning. Now that we are back at the beginning, we're going to slip stitch into the top of the first stitch to join. cut the end of your yarn and finish off. When I weave in my ends, I go back and forth a few times to make sure that it doesn't come undone. Your scrunchie is complete. If you liked this video, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.